Let's go fishing.
Let's go fishing.
I'm on a mission.
I'm on a mission.
It's so pretty, I'd sure hate to waste this chance. We'll find us a shady little spot, not too cool, not too high.
Alright guys, it's a little bit cloudy. I see some thunder down through there, and see how we do this morning. Of course, you know, going out in the grass, my man, going out in the grass. Morning. So, anyhow, I lost both my spinner baits, so I had to stop and get some underspins this morning. Right here, these down right here, guys. Been catching one of those right there. 3/0. Here they are, guys. Here's what I'm looking for. The 6 cents makes them. Right there they are. Here's what I was making. I was tearing them up on that just for them bait skirts, guys. Right there. Their bait skirts, right. Here. Okay, there we go. You not get a hook in them. You don't get them every morning. I don't care who you are. I mean, got that one there. Stop that one from sucking eggs, guys. Stop that one from sucking eggs. Got him, man. I got him. Took a while, but I got him. Got him. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, fish off. That was a nice one, too. That was a nice one, man. There he is. Another one from up. Oh, I got him, I think. Yeah, finally. Here's the size of them, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on back here, guys. Fish on, my man. They're little guys this morning, guys. They're not very big, you know. Not very big this morning, but I've scaled down my bait and try to catch them. Blowing up, but I just ain't getting a hook in them. So anyhow, that's fishing, guys. That's just how fishing is sometimes. You just don't care. Just like the story of life. You want one more day. Good Lord gives you another good day. Keep going back and forth, man. That's a good one there, guys. That's a good one there. That's a good one there, guys. That's a giant, man. That's a giant. Here's on spot lock, guys. Spot lock. There you go, guys. That's a good one, guys. There's a good one, guys. There's a good one, guys, this morning. I mean, he jumped all over it this morning, guys. That's a good one. This is the first one that's done it, man. They all out of them. Don't hear a lot of popping this morning, man. Popping this morning, guys. That don't mean they ain't there, but there's one fight, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Good one, man. He's fighting good, guys. Oh, man, he's fighting good. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on, my man. Fish on this morning. Starting out with a bang. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Morning, not that big either. See if I can catch another one, guys. I think I'll just head down the bar here. The old boys here want to come in here, I think. I think they do, anyway. They're not very big this morning, guys. There's another one there. Not very big. Y'all gonna miss the bite. You better get in here before that sun gets up. You better get in here before that sun gets up. You're gonna miss the bite. See what happens. See what happens, my man. See if we can get one more. Just they're blowing up, but they're not eating. About over with, my man. She's about over with. Short and sweet this morning, guys. Just not blowing up, but they're just they got their bellies full moon, man. They got their been feeding all night. They got their bellies full. Hey. There another one from up. Oh, I got him, I think. Yeah, finally. Here's the size of them, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on back here, guys. Fish on, my man. They're little guys this morning, guys. They're not very big. You know, not very big this morning, but I've scaled down my bait and try to catch them. Blowing up, but I just ain't getting a hook in them. So, Anyhow, that's fishing, guys. That's just how fishing is sometimes. You just don't catch them. Down there, I let him take it for about at least almost 10 seconds before I set the hook in him. That's just the way she be, my man. That's just the way she be sometimes. Fish on, fish off, guys. Fish on, fish off. Let's see if I can get one more. Always want one more. I don't care who you are. You want to catch one more? Just like the story of life. You want one more day. Good Lord gives you another good day. Keep going back and forth, man. That's a good one there, guys. That's a good one there. That's a good one there, guys. That's a giant, man. That's a good guy. That's a good one, guys. There's a good one, guys. There's a. See if I can get another one right here, guys. This corner right here is always a pretty good spot right here. I've caught a lot of fish right here over the years. Of course, all this grass is a good spot if you got the right bait. I scaled my bait down this morning. I'm not using a great big bait. I'm using a smaller bait, and so I'm gonna have to turn the camera around here a little bit, guys. I'm gonna head back up through there a little bit. We might have caught all my fish this morning, and the fish weren't biting good this morning. I mean, because it's got a high full moon, high sky, wind's pretty hard. But these right to this right here, guys, 6 cents. I never caught a fish on the magic spinner this morning, but I caught them on that right there, guys. And about the trailer, that trailer right there, guys. I think this is called 6 cents, guys. They make good baits. They really make good baits, guys. I'm using Power Pro and I'm using Trilene Big Game, guys. I love big game. From on mono. That's the only line to use, guys. Either Trilene XL extra limp or Trilene Big Game. No matter what anybody else tells you. Them's the bait you want, or the lines you want to use.